Hi everyone, it is time for the Angel Viking Orgonite August giveaway. Spin the wheel. I think the way we did it this time was fantastic because it was super easy to enter. All you have to do is give a heart to the giveaway post, make a comment, and then as a bonus entry, you can publicly share. Hit the share, make sure it's set to public, and that gives you an extra entry. And we had a few people that have two entries on here. So yeah, here we go. There were quite a few people that commented and shared the post, but they didn't give a heart to the post. So couldn't have you on the giveaway. So for next month and moving forward, make sure to heart the post. That helps give it more visibility. And I want to make sure everybody that wanted to participate in the giveaway gets entered correctly. So super easy. Heart the post, comment on the post, and if you want an extra entry, share it and set it to public. There you go. All right, let's do this. Good luck, everybody. Our winner is Delane Smiadowski Braun. I apologize so much if I messed up your name. I will tag you on the post and just reach out to me so I can get your shipping info. Congratulations. See you guys on the next giveaway.